In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize your text automatically right here in Google Sheets using Gemini. So when you have to quickly summarize some data on your spreadsheet, you can do this with Gemini. And the way to do this would be not with a prompt, but with a quick tool within Gemini. So let's say I want to quickly summarize the contents of my first column right here within my table. What I'm going to do is to go to the bottom right here at the end. Then go to the menu bar and select Gemini at the end. Click on that and select Summarize Text. If I click on this, it would automatically summarize the contents of my first column right here. So let's go ahead and click on that. There you have the prompt within that AI formula, and here we have our summary. So the list contains names of influential and often controversial psychological studies, including these names right here. So with that quick tool, we were able to summarize the contents of this first column right here. Let's undo that and try it with our first row right here. So if I were to summarize the contents of my first row, I will do the same thing. Go to Gemini at the end of my menu bar, select Summarize Text, and again, it will have the prompt that summarizes A2 to F2. And here we have it. We have the researcher's name and the experiment he conducted with its findings. There you go. So that's only summarizing columns and rows. What if we want to summarize the entire table? We can quickly do that with this option, which will say summarize this data. If you click on that, it will open Gemini on the right side, and now it's reading through our table with these findings right here. And there you go. So we have a quick explanation of our data, especially with our column headers right here. And there you have it. That's how you can automatically summarize your text with the help of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now this video is a part of our Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you want to check out the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.